The landscape of technology is evolving very rapidly. In this year, we have seen the advent of artificial intelligence, especially generative AI, and now people are talking about AGI or artificial general intelligence. We already know about the groundbreaking blockchain technology, and we have seen a couple of devices, especially from Apple, coming out in respect of augmented reality and virtual reality. We also are seeing some of the improvements and innovations being made in terms of hyperspace transaction protocol. The great thing is that now these all technologies are converging to redefine the way we interact and do business in the world, whether it is real or virtual. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what exactly is Verses.ai and how it is enabling the metaverse. The concept of metaverse, which is a digital universe that encompasses all virtual worlds, is steadily becoming a reality with the advent of this Verses.ai. As you can see on your screen, this groundbreaking platform leverages blockchain technology and decentralized computing to create a scalable and interconnected virtual world. This new platform facilitates seamless collaboration, communication, and exploration within the metaverse by integrating diverse systems and data. It certainly opens up a realm of possibilities for entertainment, commerce, education, and lot of other things that transcend physical limitations. I think the way it is moving and evolving, it is just a matter of time before it blurs the boundaries between what is virtual and what is real. More and more people will be immersing themselves in digital environments, but we need to ensure that we follow a responsible development and ethical aspects of this brand new technology. Thank you.